Hey everyone, welcome to English Learning. If you're looking to improve your English skills, you've come to the right place.
Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Eve, and today I thought I'd give you a special look into my life by introducing you to my amazing family. So, let's get started. First up, let me introduce you to my amazing parents. This is my mom, Linda. She's the heart of our family, always there with a smile, a hug, and the best homemade cookies you've ever tasted. She's incredibly supportive and has a knack for making everything better. And here's my dad, Mike. He's the family's rock, wise, strong, and with a great sense of humor. He's always there to lend a hand or a listening ear. Next up, my siblings. This is my older brother, Tom. Tom's the adventurous one, always up for a challenge and full of creative ideas. We may have our disagreements, but he's always there when it counts. And this is my younger sister, Lily. Lily is the artist of the family. She's got a talent for drawing and making everything more colorful. She's sweet, imaginative, and can always brighten up a room. Now, let me tell you a bit about how my family treats me. Honestly, I couldn't ask for a more loving and supportive group. Whether I'm celebrating a big achievement or just having a rough day, they're always there for me. For example, when I started this channel, my family was my biggest cheerleader. They helped me set up the equipment, brainstormed video ideas, and have been incredibly patient as I learn and grow in this new adventure. They also have this wonderful way of making even the simplest moments special. Whether it's a family game night, a movie marathon, or just hanging out together, they always make me feel loved and valued. I feel really lucky to have such a supportive and caring family. They help me stay grounded and remind me of what's truly important. I hope you enjoyed meeting them as much as I enjoyed introducing them to you. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and make sure to subscribe for more content. Let me know in the comments if you'd like to see more family-related videos or anything else you're interested in. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.